Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to add permanently delete option in the context menu of Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, say I have one folder here on my desktop screen. So let me right mouse click on it. So you can see this is a context menu. So here we can get a delete option. So let me click on this some more options again. And here also only we are getting delete options, so we don't have any permanently delete options right now on our context menu. So for this, what you need to do is just open any web browser and the Google search for one application named as delete GUI. On the first list you'll see its developer website. Just click on it. Now on the right side you can see here releases. Just click on it. Now here you will see as delete GUI.exe. So you need to download this file. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's been downloaded and let me close this web browser. So now just double click it to run this software installer. So now you can see here enable and disable option, and on the above you will see here how many passes will it use. Just keep it as default, and now just click on enable and you can close it. Now let me right mouse click on the respective folder or file again, and now just click on this some more options. Now you will see here one new option, secure delete. So if you click on this secure delete and click on this agree, now the respective folder or file will be permanently deleted. So let me show you by opening the recycle bin also. So you can see it's completely empty. So by using these options you can permanently delete any folder or files or any applications directly from the context menu. So if you want to remove these options from the context menu again, then just reopen the respective application and now just click on this disable. Then it will get removed from the context menu. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily add permanently delete option in the context menu of Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.